Welcome to this course. Why this course? In this course, you will see that it still makes sense to learn and use Visual Basic for applications to create applications, to exchange and manipulate data between Microsoft Excel and other services and new technologies like clouds, big data like Power BI, or Google services, or artificial intelligence, and REST API to collect data from the web where APIs are available. I will show you how to use VBA to export data from Excel to Google, how to use VBA and Apps Script to import data from Google Sheets to Microsoft Excel. I will show you how to run Google services from Excel VBA. And I will explain to you how is Apps Script, the VBA for Google Sheets, and how to use VBA to exchange information between Microsoft Excel and Google Maps. Now, how to use VBA to interact with artificial intelligence, ChatGPT and OpenAI, and integrate AI functionalities on Excel files. And I will show you then how to use VBA to import and manipulate big data like Power BI. And then I will show you some special functions, like how to convert macro-enabled Excel files to Google Sheets, how to export Excel to Google Sheets, how to connect Microsoft Excel with Google Sheets automatically to create an auto-synchronization from Excel to Google Sheets, how to download Google Sheet using Excel VBA, how to import data from web pages into Google Sheets, and how to create a real-time synchronization between Excel and Google Sheets. And then, how to use VBA to access data on an Azure cloud. I will show you also how to use VBA to access REST web services wherever these are available on the internet. With that said, see you in the course.